Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a color texture in Photoshop. Let's begin. Step 1. First of all, go to FX, see this pattern overlay and see this many texture, import texture, click settings and see this many texture, fill texture. Okay, now see this many fill texture. First of all, select any texture. Size or texture size. Okay, and secondly, color texture, click FX, pattern overlay and click the drop down menu texture. See this many texture up to now color texture. Okay, then size. Okay, and apply for more colors. Click whose situations, lock layer, click and drag it. Oh, sorry, not working this. Simply hold control, convert to smart object, rasterized layer, then apply the same process. Lock layer, click and drag it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.